Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to keep standby mode always on in iOS 17. Follow these easy steps to enable it. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on standby, and here note one thing, that if you're a iPhone 14 series user or 15 series user, then you will be able to turn on always on option. So the always on option is only available for iPhone 14 series and for next series. So all you have to do is just enable this always on option, and this is how we can keep standby mode always on. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.